I've trimmed the frame a little bit. You can see the bits I've cut off. So now the needle is closer to the magnet's top and bottom. There was quite a gap. I'm hoping that will stabilise it a bit. I've also got all the magnets facing the same direction. They were alternate before. Still shaking around quite a bit. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. From my angle I can see it. You might notice I've got the magnets on the underneath instead of on top. That's because I put them all the same way round and it was having real trouble self-starting. So I've turned them upside down, turned the whole disc upside down, and it seems a lot happier now. So if you saw the original video, I had the magnets alternating, so it's north-south, north-south, north-south. And sometimes that would jam and not move, wouldn't self-start. So I put them all the same way round, and sometimes that would jam and not self-start. So I turn them all the other way up, and that seems to be working, as we can see. And you can see we're not in full sunlight at all. It's behind clouds and behind trees. Well, we've got a little bit of sunlight appearing here. Yes, pleased with that. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.